Hello, welcome to Fantha Tracks TV. It's time for another Black Series unboxing, and as normal I shall say the usual about don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You'll get new content every Wednesday and every Saturday with a lot of varied stuff, including the Black Series unboxing, but events and interviews and all sorts of things. Right, thanks very much again to In Demand Toys who've got this out nice and quick. This is the Moloch exclusive. Not sure where it's exclusive to, possibly Target, who knows. I shall look it up and try and put it in the comments. But this came through today. Now I was on holiday when they went up for pre-order, but rather kindly In Demand Toys made sure I got one, and because they knew I was opening it, this isn't a mint one, so I don't want you to think they packed this bad. They knew exactly what was going on. It worked out very well for all of us. Right. Been looking forward to this one, so let's have a quick look at the box. We've got the artwork for Moloch. There we go. Nothing on the top, and this box is about the size of a Gamorrean Guard box. On the side, Moloch. On the bottom, just the standard blurb. UPC for those that like the stuff is there, I believe. There we go. And on the other side, Moloch. And on the back we've got the artwork. We've got no number because it's an exclusive. And we've got the text which says, Moloch. Moloch wallows in authority over the lesser thieves of his gang. Like all white worms, Moloch is very sensitive to natural light and must wear special gear when outside his dank lair. There you go, and you've got it in a couple of different languages as well. Right, that's the box and the blurb done. Let's get him open and have a look. So he's a nice chunky figure, this one. Let's pull him out of his prison. Oh, there he goes. He's got the little plastic things on. Let's take them out if I can. There we go. Right, that's him out of there. Get rid of the plastic there. So yeah, big, chunky, wormy figure. Look, ooh, looks good though, and it's all plastic goods here. We'll do all that in a second. Let's have a look at the accessories. He's got this scarf that appears to have stuff that I can't get out on. There we go. There we go. So he's got this staff which has what looks like sort of skulls and that on it. It's quite cool. Ooh, see that? There we go. He's got the face visor, which is there, and that will go over there to protect him. We'll put that on in a minute. And he's got the Moloch gun, which I'm popping out here. Pop. There we go, the Moloch gun. I think he pulls on solo, doesn't he, before the thermal detonator rock in the film. So let's have a look at the figure himself. So again, it's quite interesting because his face guard actually comes. Does it come off? It probably does come off, but I'm not sure I'm going to pull it off at this stage. Ooh, don't want to risk that. But that certainly comes forward, and then you can place the remainder of the guard over to protect him there. We'll get that on, and that tucks in. Oh, I can see. That's quite cool. That's good. Looks nice. Head doesn't really move. He's a worm. Don't expect it to move that much. Articulation though, in the shoulders, in the elbows, in the hands. Nothing really more though, because he hasn't got legs. Like I say, he's a worm. Yeah. So he's really sort of a figure for standing there. Put the stuff in his hand, and he's got the holster for the gun, which if you've seen these videos before, you know I cannot get right when I first put these in, so I shall suss that out and put it in later. Oh, I think I might have got it there. Anyway, we'll see. But anyway, yeah, it looks good figure. It's like this one is more of a one to look at, I think, rather than an action figure, but it does look good. Not sure why it's in such a big box though, because I think this could fit neatly into a normal one. But hey ho, that's Hasbro for you. Right, shall do the usual video of having a look at it in poses. that there is, and you can make your mind up yourself. So there you go. I hope you enjoy the video you've just watched. We'll be posting videos every Wednesday and every Saturday, guaranteed. Or if there's some news or some new stuff comes in, we might do some things in between there as well. But make sure you subscribe, then you'll get the notifications that come through, and see you next time.